2002 Pontiac Trans Am WS6 package convertible here at Unique Specialty and Classics. One owner car, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, and listen to this for actual miles. 14,737 on the odometer at the moment. Take a look at this front fascia. You can see extremely nice shape. What you would expect out of a one owner car, lower miles, clean Carfax. No major nicks, dings, chips. I did notice one little spot that's been touched up on top of the hood. Paint matches perfectly, being pretty fussy. There's not much for imperfections in this car, and you can see that paint looks like it's wet. It shows as well in person as it does the video and the pictures. LS1 power underneath the hood, so great powertrain, automatic transmission with overdrive. Of course, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold, heat blows hot. Check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right there, and of course you can call us, 507-386-1726. Riding on a C4 chrome wheel. It's a Grand Sport wheel. Let's go ahead and take a look down the passenger side of this car, and again you can see free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. Paint has a great luster to it. Bright red exterior, ebony leather interior, power black convertible top, and you can see still has the three-piece hard cover. Buckets, of course, center console. We'll get around to the driver's side, start it up, let's hear it run. We'll check out those miles, take a peek underneath the hood. There is a CD changer in the trunk. There's also going to be the showroom brochure that will go along with this, and then it does have the storage package for the three-piece top, and then that velcros into the luggage compartment in the trunk. Fits very nicely. Of course, dual exhaust. This car checked out very good in our service department. There was no notes on it except for the brakes are 65% in the front and the rear, wearing evenly. AC, like I said, blows cold, heat blows hot. It's a car you can get in, turn the key, and go. If you like these Trans Ams, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase, and that can be done online right off our showroom floor. And you can see this driver's side also free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. I did notice one little tiny one back here, and I don't even know if I'll get it to show up, right by this gas cap door. And again, I don't know if you can even see that. It's not an imperfection in the paint, it's just, there it is. It's just, I don't know how to explain it, almost just like a really tiny ding, I guess, if you will, but did not hurt the paint. And again, I'm being pretty meticulous, pointing out a couple real small things in this car, and that is all I've noticed, except for, of course, the very common door panel crack, which was a flaw from GM, and you will see that on a lot of cars. There's no doubt about that. It had to do with how it hooked to the door, and I believe the tab that's behind that door panel. Power mirrors, power windows, power locks, power seat over here in the driver's side. Take a look at the condition of the seat. Really no wear in the bolster, the leather seats showing in very good condition. Yes, door panel on the other side. Take a peek at that and see it. Otherwise, interior condition, also what you'd expect on a 14,000 mile car. Speaking of which, let's go ahead and check that out. All right, so exact miles, there they are, 14,737. No check engine light, service engine soon like that, just that seat belt indicator since I don't have the seat belt on. And that was a cold start. Gauge is working, monsoon stereo system. So AM, FM, CD player up here with the equalizer, and then in the trunk there's also a changer. Of course, power top, traction control, top of the dash Headlights up and down, no gears grinding, anything out of the ordinary there. Slip around to the back so you can hear this run. Again, what you'd expect. Sounds stock. I did not notice any modifications to this car. Good sounding LS1. I'll also show you the condition of the top, and I'll show you how it functions. Again, power top works as it should. I think I can get this one-handed here. There we go. Underside of the hood. Hood struts working as they should. There's that ram air intake. Great power plant. 5.7 liters. Aluminum heads, power steering, power brakes, AC. What more do you want, right? And you'll be able to see the engine bay from every angle and all the still pictures also, as well as the underside of the hood. Let me go ahead and get my tripod set up here. I'll get that convertible top cover off, and let's check out that convertible top. And the convertible top up. What you'd expect with a low mile car like this. Nice condition. Good fit above the windshield. Rolled the side glass up so you can see how that fits. And black fabric. No rips, tears, holes. No real signs of any wear. Glass. Rear window. Electric rear defog. And passenger side. Looking good over here too. Side glass rolled up, nice fit. You need it to keep you out of a rain shower or the sun. It's gonna serve its purpose just fine. There you go, 2002 Pontiac Trans Am. Just a little over 14,000 miles is all. I'll show you the top going back down also, and then if you stick around to the very end, Jason's gonna take it for a drive. Number to call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Check out all the still pics. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 2002 Pontiac Trans Am convertible, and we do have the top up today. This one in bright red. Always fun cars. Pontiac knows how to build them, and the ergonomics are just perfect for me. At 6'1", it's a very comfortable car. Very good acceleration as well. This is an automatic, so it's easy to drive. Our oil pressure is showing 60 psi. The battery's charging over 14 volts. And the fuel gauge is a little over half of a tank. The cruise control is working. The AC's blowing cold. The stereo is working and the wipers work. What more can you ask for? Leave it to the early 2000s GMs where everything is working. I did notice a couple squeaks from the back struts when you hit a decent sized bump. Not noticeable on the highway. Brakes feel good. Beautiful leather bucket seats, very comfortable. Wow. And yet, when that transmission kicks down, you feel it. There's plenty of torque from this motor. And that beautiful raised hood. Take a look at all the pictures of this car at uniqueclassiccars.com.